Preparing fresh, nutritious meals for your baby can feel like an overwhelming task, especially when juggling the demands of parenthood. Enter this Babynutri Auto Baby Food Maker, a game-changing appliance that simplifies homemade baby food preparation with its all-in-one steaming, blending, and pureeing capabilities. This sleek, glass-based baby food processor is designed to make meal prep effortless, safe, and stylish, ensuring your little one enjoys wholesome meals tailored to their developmental needs. Whether you're a first-time parent or a seasoned caregiver, this baby blender and steamer is your kitchen ally, delivering convenience, safety, and quality in every puree. Let's dive into why the Babynutri Auto Baby Food Maker is a must-have for modern parents. Solving common baby food prep challenges. New parents often face the daunting task of preparing fresh, healthy baby food while managing time constraints and ensuring safety. Traditional methods like stovetop steaming or manual mashing are time-consuming, messy, and prone to inconsistency. The Babynutri Auto Baby Food Maker addresses these pain points with its automated cooking, precision blending, and easy clean design. No more hovering over a stove or scrubbing stubborn food residue. This baby food processor streamlines the process, letting you focus on bonding with your baby. Its touchscreen control and dishwasher-safe components make it a lifesaver for busy households, while the glass bowl ensures no harmful chemicals compromise your baby's meals. Why the Babynutri stands out. All-in-one functionality. This powerhouse combines steaming, blending, chopping, and warming functions, allowing you to prepare a variety of textures from smooth purees to chunkier meals for growing babies. The built-in timer and scheduling features let you set it and forget it, freeing up precious time. Precision blade technology. Equipped with razor-sharp stainless steel blades, the Babynutri delivers silky smooth purees tailored to your baby's developmental stage. Its unique pulsation feature allows you to customize texture, ensuring optimal nutrition for every bite. Top-tier safety. Made with premium glass and stainless steel, this baby food maker is BPA-free and meets stringent safety standards. The safety lock ensures the blender only activates when the lid and cup are securely in place, giving parents peace of mind. Effortless cleaning. Detachable components are dishwasher-safe, and the included cleaning brush tackles hard-to-reach spots, making cleanup a breeze. Say goodbye to scrubbing and hello to more quality time with your little one. Stylish and thoughtful design. With its sleek beige exterior and heat focus ring technology, the Babynutri is both functional and chic. Its precision mixing cup design minimizes food waste, making it ideal for preparing small, fresh portions. Benefits that make a difference. Time-saving efficiency. The auto-cooking and blending features reduce prep time, allowing you to whip up fresh, nutrient-packed meals in minutes. Perfect for busy parents who want to provide homemade food without the hassle. Healthier meals. By using fresh ingredients and a glass bowl, you control what goes into your baby's food, avoiding preservatives and additives found in store-bought options. The precision blades ensure nutrients are preserved for optimal health. Versatility for all stages. From first purees for 4-month-olds to textured meals for toddlers, this baby food maker adapts to your child's evolving needs, making it a long-term kitchen companion. The Babynutri Auto Baby Food Maker is ideal for parents who prioritize convenience, safety, and nutrition. It's perfect for new parents, first-time moms and dads looking for an easy way to introduce solids without the stress of complicated prep. Busy caregivers. Those juggling work, home, and parenting who need a reliable, time-saving solution for fresh baby food. Health-conscious families. Parents who want to avoid processed foods and ensure their baby enjoys organic, homemade meals. Style-savvy households. Anyone who appreciates a sleek, modern kitchen appliance that doubles as a thoughtful gift for baby showers or new moms. Why choose Babynutri over competitors? Compared to other baby food makers like the Biba Baby Cook or nutritious, the Babynutri stands out for its glass bowl, which avoids plastic contact with food, and its intuitive touchscreen control. While competitors offer similar steaming and blending functions, Babynutri's precision blade technology and heat focus ring design ensure faster prep and less waste. Its 350 milliliters capacity strikes a perfect balance, large enough for batch cooking but compact for small kitchens. Plus, the stylish beige design adds a touch of elegance, making it a standout choice for modern parents. Tips for getting the most out of your Babynutri. Experiment with textures. Use the pulsation feature to adjust puree smoothness, starting with silky blends for younger babies and progressing to chunkier textures as they grow. Batch prep and store. Prepare multiple servings and store them in BPA-free glass containers for up to 2 days in the fridge or 3 months in the freezer. Clean immediately. Rinse components right after use to prevent food from sticking, then pop them in the dishwasher for a thorough clean. Try new recipes. Combine fruits, veggies, and proteins to create diverse, nutrient-rich meals. The included manual offers great recipe ideas to get you started. If you enjoyed this review, like the video and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews.